Ever wondered what makes a scalar different from a vector? They're like two sides of the same physics coin. Scalars are simple, they only care about size or magnitude. Vectors, on the other hand, are like superheroes, they have both magnitude and direction. Let's dive in with some fun examples to make this crystal clear.
Let's start with scalars. Imagine you're measuring your body temperature. You only need the number, like 37 degrees Celsius. That's a scalar. No direction involved here, just the magnitude. Simple, right?
Now for vectors. Let's say you're riding your bicycle at 15 kilometers per hour towards the east. The speed 15 kilometers per hour is the magnitude and the direction east makes it a vector. Cool, right?
Here's a quick trick to remember. Scalars are numbers with no sense of direction, like temperature or money. Vectors are numbers with a clear direction, like speed or force. Think of vectors as having a little arrow attached to their number.
And there you have it, scalars and vectors demystified. Whether it's measuring temperature or figuring out the speed and direction of a bike, now you know how to spot the difference. Keep exploring the world of physics. It's full of fun surprises.